Hey, you guys, it's your girl back, Harriet, aka Honey, with another quick video for you. So go ahead and press that like, that subscribe, personalize it, all that jazz, so you can get them. Yes, it's gonna be consistent. Yes, it's gonna be once a week, at least minimum. Your girl is trying her best. Anyway, I'm so happy to be back with you guys with this quick video. As you see, wanted to show you I got the purple and black ponytail in that we went ahead and washed, and she's looking good and healthy and strong, you know. And your girl washed her hair and did it right for you guys. So anyway, this video is about what I bought from Walmart.com. I'm in love with Walmart. Don't know the logistics about the employees. I know Walmart's had its issues, but I love shopping at Walmart. I love getting my things from there. And, this is kind of special to me because I like sharing with you guys the things that I go and buy because no, it's not sponsored. This is stuff that I just buy. So I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you'll support this. Go ahead, like I said, give that thumbs up, that like, subscribe, share it, and follow your girl. And we're going to go ahead and get into it. And this stuff was ordered on Walmart.com. It came. I'm going to leave the prices in the description below, but I'll give you guys, as we go through it, kind of logistics of what I paid for it. But I'm going to try to make it as quick as I possibly can. So I hope you watch.